Amazing. Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day and that you're enjoying your summer. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite summer cocktail, and if you like HUGO SPRITZ, you're definitely gonna like this one. The only alcohol I'm gonna be using is Prosecco. The reason I like this cocktail is that it's like super refreshing. It uses Prosecco, it uses lime juice and some mint. I'm gonna use also elderberry syrup and some sparkling water. Another reason why I like it, not only that it's super refreshing, but it also uses only one alcohol, so there's no mixing. So let me show you how I make this. So I use 2 tablespoons of elderberry syrup, and I'm using this brand, which I really like. So now I'm gonna add the Prosecco, and I'm gonna use 4 ounces of Prosecco. I like putting a kitchen cloth over the cork. Nice. Then I'll add 2 ounces of sparkling water. I'll cut a small piece of lime, a slice, and squeeze it in. I'll add a few mint leaves, I have 4 here. And I like adding some crushed ice, so I have approximately 4 ounces of crushed ice in there. And I'll put it in the glass, I'll mix it, and the HUGO SPRITZ is done. Cheers!